What's up, early gang? It's Winnie here, and you guys are watching the #1 construction channel in the world. So today we're gonna have to remove this toilet, and I'm gonna try something that I've never done before. Putting this Liquilock crystal water absorbing crystals into the toilet. Apparently, you throw this stuff in there, obviously open it up, throw this stuff in there, and it like solidifies that water, so you don't have to try to dump it into a bucket, or you don't have to try to fit this into a garbage bag, or you don't have to sponge it out or vacuum it out. Vacuuming it out is a cool concept, but when you vacuum it out, then you have to clean the vacuum, and it's kind of nasty. So I've literally never done this before. I went to Lowe's. This was like $3.25 or something like that. So I got 2 of them because I know there's a bunch of water in here. So I'm curious to see what happens. I've already disconnected it right here, disconnected it right there, and disconnected this guy. Alex, we've never done this before, right?
No.
All right, so I'm kind of excited to see what happens. So, is there directions to this? I don't know. I think you just pour that on. Let's see what. Let Liquilock absorb for 4 minutes. I'm kind of curious if one's going to be enough. This is like kind of making jello. I mean, especially with the colors here, that's kind of like jello. It's not jello, everybody. It's not jello. Ooh, it's already starting to solidify a little bit. All right, so it's been like 2 minutes, and it's already becoming like a slushy. Look at that! This is so weird. Alex had a funny idea that we should next time put some Orbeez in there overnight, and then see what happens to like the slushy, poop-filled Orbeez. All right, so this has been a couple minutes. It's already solidified a little bit, but it's still flowy, so I would hate to turn this on its side. So apparently, it's supposed to get much more liquid or much more solid. This is so weird. It's like, hey, would you watch any cool videos on YouTube? Yeah, man, these guys made blueberry slushy. Oh my god, this could actually work. We should stage a video where we actually get blueberry slushy in a brand new toilet and I drink it. Is that weird? Is that reaching for views? That's reaching for views. That's reaching for views. We're gonna do it. We do have another pack. I don't want to be stuck with another pack. So this is a big bowl. I feel like what we should have done is like pour a 5-gallon bucket of water in it like before, so it kind of would have like siphoned out more of that water. So I think what I'm gonna do is add another one of these because I already have it. I don't know, like I don't read these directions. I saw it online, and it's literally what I'm doing. Kind of like feels like salt. So I'm just gonna add this just because I already have it. This is not, I guess, a correct how to use this tutorial. But it was already solidifying as you guys saw it. I'm going to mix this in now. Ooh, at the bottom, it's a lot more viscous or a lot more stiff. All right, so our toilet bowl went from a slushy to like an Italian ice now consistency. So at this point, it's not runny at all. And it's pretty fascinating how this works. I don't know how this works. There's some chemical thing that happens, but at this point now we are okay to pick this up and carry this bad boy out of here. Is there anything coming out?
No.
Let's go. All right, go down the stairs. If the toilet is too heavy for you when you're carrying it out, you can unscrew the tank from the bowl and then carry it out in 2 pieces, and it's literally half the weight. Because even for me, a massively jacked person, it's kind of heavy. This smells good. I don't know what it is. Don't try it. Or eat it.
It smells like something laundry.
Yeah, it does, right? The laundry smell?
Laundry detergent.
That's so good. Hi. And that is how you remove a toilet from your house. I'll see you in the next one.